started the chapter Robinson Crusoe. This chapter is from your Marigold English Book 5. In my previous video, I told you that I will reveal a secret in my next video. So, let's start today's class and see what was the secret. So children, one day something unusual happened with the man Robinson Crusoe. Do you know what it was? Do you know what had happened after that? Let's see. Yes, I have taken this picture from your Marigold English Book 5. What are the ideas you get from the picture? Yes, you are right children, he is Robinson Crusoe and he discovered a footprint which was the secret, and I am revealing the secret in my second video. What do you see in the picture? As you told me, you have seen Robinson Crusoe. He discovered a footprint. That's what the name of our chapter. Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. Where is he standing at? Yes, at the seashore. What is he looking at children? Yes, he is looking at the footprint. Is he surprised? Yep, he is surprised. Can you guess what happened to him? Yes, you are right. He was frightened. Now, who do you think the man in the picture is? A silly question I am asking, I know, because you know the answer. He is Robinson Crusoe. One day he went towards the boat. Oh, what is this? Crusoe surprised. He saw a footprint on the sand. It is a man's footprint or animal. It has toes, heels, so it's footprint of a man. He stood amazed. He started looking around. He went the shore and down the shore. He went up higher to look down. He couldn't find any other footprint other than one. But he couldn't see anyone. He couldn't hear any voice. He felt it was an imagination. He went back again to look around. He confirmed that he was not mistaken. I could not know how it came here, he said to himself. He stayed a long time for thinking. He became more confused. Now let me ask you something. How would you feel if you saw unknown footprints outside your front door? Tell me. Yes, you will become surprised and you will become frightened also, right? We don't want these things in our life, but if something will happen like this, definitely we will become surprised. And one more thing which we will do, that we will start doing the investigation, right? Now what do you see in the picture? Can you guess what is he going to do? Yes, right. You are right children. He is Robinson Crusoe and he is running. He is running towards his cave. He returned back but he was very frightened. He looked behind after every 2 or 3 steps. He felt every bush and tree look like a man. He came back to the cave. He ran inside it. He was thinking that someone was chasing him. He forgot himself completely. He couldn't remember whether he used ladder for going inside the rock. He ran fast that any animal could run. He became afraid. He couldn't sleep that night. Who's that? Will be a normal man? No. It may be a footprint of a savage, he said with a fear. I'm lucky that I was not on shore at that time. But what happened if he had seen my boat? He would realize that someone is living on this island. He would soon return with others. They will kill and eat me. So these thoughts were coming to his mind, and he did not sleep that night. He was really very afraid. He became more fearful. He prayed for protection. Slowly he gained bit confidence and comfort. He was again going to investigate. But still he looked behind frequently. He was still very frightened. See children, he was frightened, but he again wanted to do the investigation because there was no option for him. Even after a few days of search, he could not find anything. He didn't see anything. He became little bolder. He decided to go and examine the footprint once more. He went to the shore. He decided to check the length of footprint. He placed his foot alongside that footprint. He measured the footprint with his own foot mark. It could not be my footprint because I hadn't come to this part of the beach since long time. Secondly, it seemed larger than my own. I am not alone here. There will be people here. Island was inhabited, he said with a realization. He compared that footprint with his own foot, and he found that it was not his footprint because it was larger. And one thing which he was thinking that he did not go that part of the beach for a long time. So it was not Robinson's footprint. He finally came to a conclusion that island was inhabited. We can see some questions and answers for the conclusion. See, why was he running? Is it because he was frightened? Yes, he was very frightened. How did he feel when he returned? He felt very insecure. What did he feel about bush and tree? He felt every bush and tree looked like a man. How did he come back to cave? He ran inside the cave like someone was chasing him. What did he guess at that night? He guessed that the footprint was of a savage. Why did he afraid of savage? He was afraid because savages may kill and eat him. Did he go for investigation again? Yes. Where did he go for investigation? He went to the shore for investigation. What kind of investigation he did? He measured the footprint and compared it with his footprint. Now, what was the finding of investigation? It was the footprint of a savage. Now, what was his conclusion about the island? Conclusion was, island was inhabited. So, with the help of these 11 questions and answers, we came to a conclusion. And we understood the story of Robinson Crusoe. Now, what is your task, children? Your task is to note down the difficult words used in my video. You will note down the difficult words. You will try to read the chapter. Soon I will send you the video of the reading part, and I will also send you the video of the difficult words and their meanings. Till then, you have to note down the difficult words. You will try to find the meanings from the dictionary, and you will try to read the chapter. If possible, watch my video again and again. I know it is possible. You can watch it again and again to understand the second part of the summary of Robinson Crusoe. Thank you. Have a good day, children. God bless you all.